Emma,
G.
wanna learn English?
G.
Let's get started.
Welcome back to English Learning Easy. Today we're exposing the 20 most common English mistakes that learners make every single day and how to fix them instantly.
These are mistakes we hear everywhere, in school, at work, in travel, and even in English exams. And trust me, once you stop saying these, your English will sound 10 times more natural. Let's jump straight to number 1.
I am agree. Wrong. I agree.
Agree is not an adjective, it's a verb.
I am doing a mistake. Wrong. I made a mistake.
He don't like it.
Wrong. He doesn't like it. I didn't went. Wrong. I didn't go.
After did, you always use the base verb.
I'm living here since 2 years. Wrong. I've been living here for 2 years. I am boring. Wrong. I am bored.
I have 22 years.
Wrong. I am 22 years old. Open the light. Wrong. Turn on the light.
I want to eat a medicine.
Wrong. I want to take medicine. She is more taller. Wrong. She is taller. More plus equals double.
I will tell to you.
Wrong. I will tell you.
I didn't understood.
Wrong. I didn't understand.
I suggest you to.
Wrong. I suggest you, or I suggest that you. I prefer coffee than tea. Wrong. I prefer coffee to tea.
We discussed about it.
Wrong. We discussed it.
I am good in English.
Wrong. I am good at English.
He explained me the problem.
Wrong. He explained the problem to me. I didn't took my bag. Wrong. I didn't take my bag.
I will return back.
Wrong. Return already means come back. I will return, or I will come back.
I'm waiting you.
Wrong. I'm waiting for you.
If you stop saying these mistakes, your English will sound instantly more natural, like a real native speaker. Comment below which one you have used before. Don't worry, we all make mistakes while learning. And hit subscribe. We teach English the easy way.
See you in the next lesson.